The invisible name trick on TikTok refers to the practice of creating a username that appears blank or invisible to other users. This is achieved by exploiting the way TikTok handles Unicode characters, specifically by inserting zero-width spaces or combining characters that render as empty space. This method gained traction around 2022-2023, but as of September 2025, TikTok's enhanced Unicode filtering and AI-driven moderation systems actively block these invisible usernames. Attempting this trick may violate TikTok's terms of service and lead to account suspension or deletion. It is essential to be aware of the platform's evolving policies and potential consequences. As of September 2025, this trick is largely ineffective due to TikTok's detection measures. The technical foundation of the invisible name trick relies on Unicode characters, specifically zero-width spaces like U plus 200B, or combining characters that create visually empty usernames without displaying on screen. The process involves creating a username string that intersperses visible letters with these invisible Unicode elements, then attempting to apply it through TikTok's profile settings interface. Several risks accompany this practice. It directly violates TikTok's community guidelines, potentially leading to account suspension or permanent removal. Additionally, it can facilitate spam, impersonation, or other deceptive activities. Cybersecurity experts classify these as low-level exploits that expose vulnerabilities in the platform's security infrastructure. As of 2025, TikTok actively prevents the use of these Unicode characters through enhanced filtering and AI-driven moderation. Attempts to create invisible usernames typically result in error messages or immediate account suspension. Users are strongly advised to adhere to TikTok's official guidelines to avoid penalties. The platform has publicly emphasized user safety and platform integrity, reporting the removal of over 1 million accounts for username violations in the past year.